Are you looking for a safe trampoline? In this video, I will show you the 5 best and safe trampoline based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Merax 12-foot trampoline. Provide your kids with a safe and fun way to exercise, improve coordination, balance, and cardiovascular health effectively. This trampoline comes with a gap-free enclosed net, making it a great addition to your backyard, perfect for family use. Supported by 72 strong and supple springs to assure stability with each bounce, this trampoline uses the extra springs to ensure gentle impact and avoid painful tension on your feet and joints. Insert wind stakes into the ground over each U-shaped leg base to help stabilize the trampoline during strong winds. Safety enclosure net stands 5.9 feet high, with 6 foam-covered poles evenly distributed around the frame, form a 360 degrees protection for your kids. The outer net design makes for larger jumping area, with frame padding tightly cover the springs to avoid fingers or feet caught inside while jumping. The 4th product on the list is the Sportplus Silent Fitness Mini Trampoline. Try the SPT 110 Fitness Trampoline from Sportplus not only exercises your entire body, but also helps your body coordination and motor skills. The SPT 110 features near silent bungee rope designed to ensure a quiet and effective workout. With the SPT 110 exercise the small and deep muscle tissue which are often neglected by traditional training and power equipment. Add yourself to premium joint-friendly cardio workouts with this indoor rebounder. The Sportplus Fitness Trampoline can provide a perfect platform for rebounder exercises. Training on our fitness trampoline means that more than 400 muscles are actively engaged, which makes trampoline fitness more effective for the body than most other comparative workouts. The 3rd product on the list is the Stamina 36-inch folding trampoline. The Stamina 36-inch folding trampoline provides the supportive bounce you need to get the job done. The heavy-duty rebounding surface supports users up to 250 pounds. 30 tension bands assure a stable and gentle motion with each bounce. This trampoline is also outfitted with a border safety skirt to protect the feet and fingers from injury while jumping. It's only 36 inches in diameter, making it a great fit for nearly any home or office workout space. 6 detachable rubber-tipped legs protect your floor and provide a solid foundation for the rugged steel frame. When you're done rebounding, the Stamina 36-inch trampoline conveniently folds for easy storage. The 2nd product on the list is the Avenor Toddler Trampoline. The mini trampolines for kids does not need additional tools for assembly. The kids' trampoline improves coordination, flexibility, agility, and balance. Safe and fun kid trampoline with handle safety bar and foam for increased security and stability. Mini trampoline for kids with padded spring cover for both indoor and outdoor. The 1st product on the list is the Skywalker Trampolines. Our patented no-gap enclosure design completely eliminates pinch points and openings between the net, springs, and jump surface. Thanks to our rust-resistant galvanized steel frame, you will have years full of family fun to look forward to on your Skywalker trampoline. Safely located around the outside of the enclosure net, our tightly coiled springs are crafted from rust-resistant galvanized steel that retains its integrity and bounce throughout continued use. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.